Welcome to this overview of backend web development, the part of an application that powers everything users don't see. While the front end creates the visual experience, the back end is the engine that runs the show, handling the essential tasks of data storage, logic, security, and server-side operations to deliver a seamless and reliable experience. To understand the role of the back end, let's break down what it actually does. At its core, it's responsible for data management, efficiently storing, organizing, and retrieving all the information your application needs. It also manages the business logic, which involves processing incoming requests and applying the rules and algorithms that make your application unique. A critical component is security, where the backend authenticates users, authorizes access to specific features, and protects sensitive information from malicious attacks. It also manages all server operations, handling the incoming requests, generating responses, and coordinating with external systems. Finally, the backend facilitates APIs and integrations, allowing it to build interfaces for communication and connect with third-party services like payment gateways or social media platforms. The actual workflow follows a logical sequence. The process begins with a one client request, which is initiated when a user performs an action on the front end, such as opening a website or submitting a form. This request is then sent over the network and is to server received by the backend server. Once received, the server's process and logic layer interprets the request, executes the necessary code, and applies the required business logic to determine what needs to happen next. This often involves database interaction, where the backend communicates with the database to read data, write new information, or update existing records as needed. With the necessary logic and data processed, the backend constructs and sends a response back to the client, which could be data in JSON format, an HTML page, or a confirmation message, completing the cycle. To build these powerful backends, developers rely on a rich ecosystem of technologies. The foundation starts with backend languages, such as Python, Node.js, Java, PHP, and Go. These languages are paired with powerful frameworks like Express.js, Django, Spring Boot, Laravel, and Gin, which provide a structure and pre-built components to speed up development. For persistent data storage, developers choose from various databases, including relational options like MySQL and PostgreSQL, and NoSQL choices like MongoDB, along with specialized tools like Redis for caching and SQLite for lightweight storage. Finally, a suite of tools and others supports the development and deployment process, including Git for version control, Docker for containerization, Nginx as a web server, Postman for API testing, and JWT for secure authentication. Implementing a strong backend yields several key benefits. It provides scalability, allowing the system to handle more users and data seamlessly as your application grows. It ensures robust security by protecting sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. It optimizes performance, resulting in faster responses by fine-tuning the server, database, and application logic. It offers flexibility by enabling integration with third-party services and making it easier to build and add powerful new features. Finally, it promotes maintainability, as a well-structured backend with clean code is easier to update and scale over the long term. To ensure these benefits, developers follow established best practices. This includes a commitment to write clean code, ensuring the codebase is readable, modular, and well-documented for future developers. It's crucial to validate and sanitize all user input to prevent common attacks. Developers must optimize queries by writing efficient database operations and using indexing for speed. Implementing logging and monitoring helps track performance and catch errors early to fix issues before they escalate. Finally, a solid backup and recovery plan is essential for regularly backing up data and having a strategy in place for disaster recovery. Ultimately, a strong backend is the backbone of a powerful application. The philosophy is clear: build it right, scale it high. As the saying goes, great front end gets attention, but great backend keeps users. This perfectly encapsulates the idea that while the front end draws users in, it's the secure, reliable, and performant backend that keeps them coming back. This is the true power of backend web development.